Classy people, welcome back to the channel. It is Crystal's Classy Life, and I'm doing a living room refresh today, guys. I'm going to do a few little things in the living room. This is going to be a part one because this is definitely going to be a process, but I'm doing some quick things that I can do to my living room to make it more where I'm going with my living room. I want to be a little more neutral and not have so much of the dominant red in the picture. I'm going to show you some things that I don't like, and I actually recorded this video a little bit after Christmas, so there's a Christmas tree in this video. Okay, guys, so come on, let's see what I did. All right, now let's just address some things that I want to change because I got quite a bit of coloring in this living room. I've got the butterfly chair. That's one thing. Disregard the Christmas tree because she about to go. This red rug that I've had for several years, the red rug has to go because the red rug is very dominant in this space and it makes me have to have things with that coloring in it. So it's got to go. I do have a few things up there. You can see the plate, the flower pot, and the blanket. Got to go. The color, I don't want any more. And then I'm going to have to change my pillows, okay? So I just wanted a refresh, okay? Another thing that I need to address is these freaking curtains, okay? We decided to raise the rod because, you know, when you raise the rod, it gives you a different look. However, the freaking curtains were not the right length. So that's so bogus. And that picture's going to have to go. So let's get into it. Guys, so here is the rug, and I purchased the rug from the Home Depot. Home Depot coming through. This is not a sponsored video, guys, but this is the rug, okay? It's Style Well, and it's a spiral medallion area rug. 6x9 is the actual size of it, and it's machine made, medium pile height, stain resistant. That's great. Fade resistant. That's even better. And 65% polyester and 35% polypropylene. Okay, whatever that means. Okay, there you go. I'll try to link it in the description box of the video, guys. But they have a feature on the Home Depot app where you can take a picture of your living room or room and see what it's going to look like. And to me, the color looked quite different to me. I'm just curious to see what it's going to look like once we actually roll it out. But I do like it in the fact that I like it with my floor. I do like it with my flooring. So let's just go ahead and unroll it and let's see what we're working with. Okay, there is the look of the rug. Okay, yeah, you can definitely see there's a lot of gray. Now, I'm really wondering about, it's a lot of shading there. See that right there? That right there, variation, a lot of variation. I like it. I do like it. It's different. It's definitely different, and the butterfly chair gotta go. It don't match. Let's go get the curtains, because I don't know if this gonna work. Okie dokie, these are the curtains, and this is the rug. All right, so I went to Home Goods to get something else, and I said, well, let me just look for the curtains, okay, while I'm here. And I happened to find these two. These are 2 panels, and they were $49.99 for 2 panels. I thought that was good, okay. 38 by 96 in length. That's what I need, because I want them to go to the floor, okay. So it's got a little copper in it. I don't know. I mean, my husband and I, in our imagination over the phone, it looked like it was gonna go. Hunty, it was working, okay? So let's take it over here and let's see. I don't know, okay? Now this is my wall color. This is what's up here, and that's the wall color, okay? You know what? It ain't nothing to it but to do it. Some things you just ain't gonna know until you put it up and see what it look like. And see what it look like, sis. Okay? We just got to do it. All right. I have taken the old curtains down. They're actually right there on the floor. I need to get them up. And let's see what it's gonna look like. I hope it matches my wall coloring. If you guys remember this picture, but I actually purchased this picture at a yard sale, and it originally, I think, came from maybe Home Goods or somewhere, At Home or Home Goods, I can't remember, but at any rate, I purchased this picture from a yard sale. So I'm gonna tell you what I'm gonna do. I'm about to cover up that red, and I'm about to redo this picture. I'm about to use this picture. Let's see what I do. Okay, so you can see what I'm doing. I didn't even have great paint. I mixed up some black and white paint, and I'm covering up the red, okay? You do not have to spend a lot of money to make your home look the way you want it to, okay? We can do it on a classy budget. The goal for recreating the picture was to cover up the red. So using the black, using the glitter, using the gold paint, actually did the trick. I'm quite pleased on how the picture turned out. Let me know what you think, guys. But as long as the red was covered up, that's what I wanted. I really like the little shimmer that it's adding. I wish I had a light that would really shine on this a little more so you guys could see how it's going to look, but I'm really pleased with it. The candle holders were actually a DIY prior video. I'll try to link that above so you guys can see that if you're interested in recreating those yourselves. Now, the ladies were a 2-piece set, $14.99 at Home Goods. Purchased those 2. I love those. They're so cute. The canister, I pulled that from my dining room. Just try to reuse stuff that you already got in your home. And then the vase that's on the floor beside the fireplace was $16.99 at Home Goods. And the bunches were actually 2 bunches for $5 each on clearance, but she only charged me $5 for the 2. I was pleased with that. Let me know what you think about the look. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. We will have a living room refresh part 2. We're going to change out this console and put a sofa table there that I have. I'm going to actually paint it and put it there. And we're also going to change out the pillows. I may change out the flowers and possibly add another set of the panels to the curtains. Thanks so much. Have a great day.